Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best insights into studying abroad and making smart education choices. Today, we're tackling a topic that's on everyone's mind these days. How can you get an MSBA degree without spending a fortune? That's right, we are diving into the most affordable Master of Science in Business Analytics programs for this year for you. If you've been dreaming of gaining cutting-edge data skills without drowning in debt, this video is for you. We'll cover top affordable programs, costs, career prospects, and tips to make your education budget-friendly. So let's jump right in. Part 1, we're dealing with why an MSBA is worth it at all. First, let's talk about why you should consider doing an MSBA in the first place. In today's world, businesses run on data. Whether it's tech giants like Google or healthcare provider, every organization needs skilled professionals who can turn raw data into insights. So this particular program will equip you with all the technical skills like data mining, statistical modeling, and programming languages like Python, R, and SQL and help you drive business decisions, which is needed in today's data-savvy world. Job-ready expertise in areas like marketing analytics, financial analytics, and AI-driven insights. The best part is these skills are in demand as we discuss across industries with starting salaries like $65 to $110K annually. And the kicker is you don't have to spend $1 lakh to get there. So let's explore affordable options for you. So which are the most budget-friendly MSBA programs? These schools offer top-notch education without a hefty price tag. So we begin with Amberton University program, Master of Science in Enterprise Analytics. The location is Texas and tuition is around just $8,780, one of the lowest in US. 100% online it is. It's great because this program is designed for working professionals. It's flexible, affordable, and focuses on real-world application of analytics. Next, we have University of Montana. The Master of Science in Business Analytics degree offered by this university has tuition of $10,760 in-state and $20,000 out of state. The format is campus and online. It is great because it has strong curriculum blending technical and business skills, which will cater to both online and on-campus learners. Next, we have Athens State University, offering the program of Master of Science in Strategic Leadership and Business Analytics with tuition of approximately $12,130 fully online. It's great because this program combines leadership training with analytics, preparing you for both technical and managerial roles. Next, we have Southern New Hampshire University, SNHU, offering the program Master of Science in Business Analytics with tuition of around $12,150, fully online format. It's great because it focuses on hands-on learning and data-driven decision-making, offering an excellent return on investment for its tuition cost that you pay. Next, we have Texas A&M University Commerce. The program is Master of Science in Business Analytics with tuition of approximately $14,000 in-state and $26,000 out of state. The format is hybrid, and this program has a robust curriculum emphasizing data management and predictive modeling, ideal for analytical roles for you. So how to choose the right program? Now that you have seen some affordable options, how do you choose the right program specifically designed and made for you? Here are 5 factors to consider. Accreditation. Look for programs accredited by recognized organizations like AACSB or ACBSP. These credentials ensure your degree holds weight in the job market at all. Next is program format. Decide if you prefer online or on-campus or hybrid formats. Online will offer more flexibility, while on-campus options provide networking opportunities wherein you connect with similar-minded individuals. Next factor is curriculum. Ensure the program balances technical skills like Python or machine learning with business-oriented courses for you. Next is career services. Check if the school provides career counseling, internships, or networking events with industry leaders to help you get started. Next, we have cost and financial aid. Look for scholarships, grants, or employer-sponsored tuition assistance. Many of these programs offer flexible payment plans, making education more accessible and easier for you to pursue. Tips to make your MSBA more affordable. Even with these affordable programs, you can reduce your costs further. Here's how. Apply for scholarships. Many universities offer need-based and merit-based scholarships. Research options on each school's website. Consider employer reimbursement. If you're currently employed, check if your company offers tuition assistance for professional development. Opt for assistantships. Teaching or research assistantships can provide stipends or tuition waivers in exchange for part-time work at the university. Leverage online resources. Platforms like Coursera and edX offer affordable prep courses to strengthen your application or supplement your learning with all the analytical skills. Utilize flexible payment plans. Spread out your tuition costs over several months to ease financial strain. There you have it, the most affordable MSBA programs for 2025 and tips to make your education budget-friendly. Remember, an affordable degree doesn't mean compromising on quality. With the right program and a bit of planning, you can gain the skills you need to excel in the world of data analytics without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up or a like and comment with your questions, and subscribe for more tips on study abroad and career planning. And if you're still unsure about which program to choose, you can go through our other videos listed on the channel under the MSBA category. Thanks for watching and good luck with your journey into business analytics.